Are you looking to add a custom HTML page to your WordPress site but aren't sure where to start? Today, I'll show you a simple way to do it in just a few steps. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From there, head over to Pages and click Add New, or edit an existing page if you prefer. This is where we'll integrate your HTML content. Once you're in the editor, look for the block inserter icon, the little plus sign, click it and type HTML in the search bar. You'll see the custom HTML block appear. Select it, and now you have a space to paste your HTML code directly. This is perfect for small static pages, custom form, or even embedding third-party widgets. After pasting your code, don't forget to hit preview. This lets you see exactly how your HTML renders on the page before going live, ensuring everything looks perfect. When you're happy with the result, simply click Publish or Update, and your custom HTML page is now part of your WordPress website. It's that quick, clean, and doesn't require any additional plugins. And there you have it. Adding a static HTML page to WordPress is easier than you might think. With just a few clicks, you can fully customize your pages and make your website stand out. Give it a try and see the difference it makes.